Alrighty guys, welcome back to Everything Off-Road, and I've been slacking on the speedometer install, but we're gonna get back to it. This video is gonna be about the neutral safety light right here. So let's get to wiring. Alright, so we're gonna be looking at everything highlighted in green. Alright, so the green and red wire coming off the speedometer is gonna be on the plug. It's way in the back. I can't show you guys anymore. Just got buried. This wire right here. So this wire right here with all the black electrical tape. This wire right here goes down, and it goes down, and it connects to a black wire. And then I ran that black wire under the tank. Goes all the way through. Goes through there, and it's underneath the airbox. Goes through, ties underneath the airbox, and it gets tied up to one of the wires. This is some wires here, and it just gets tied up to, I don't know if you guys can see that black cover there, but that black cover is protecting all the sensors, every little sensor that's there. The wire that's coming out of the speedometer, a sensor is gonna ground that connection, and that's what you want. You want that wire to be grounded. But anyways, if you guys are liking the content here, I will be posting some riding videos. I'll probably try to get it out sometime this week. I am thinking about doing some riding videos. Yeah, peace.